to the Grand Prix of Czechia! Wanna know what happened in the Grand Prix so far? Let's start with qualifying sessions! Magnaia took the last pole before the summer break at Brno. Pole for the best Ducati rider! Let's go, baby! But someone is coming faster than you! But the idea is to make that on Sunday, not in quali. Now that we know who made the pole, it's about time to talk about the sprint race. Let's start with the replay of the start with our minis. Yeah, the champ is back. Time to recover points. Some riders to overtake him, but maybe too many of them. Mark did the same with Acosta and played with him. Uh-oh, pressure too low. How will let someone to overtake me? Oh man, problems with that pressure. Finally, the battle everyone is waiting for. Sure, go ahead. Oh, you've made a terrible mistake. Some laps later. The first victory of the sharpest trio, and the pressure is now okay. See you later! Yahoo! Wow! Apolline is also a good result. And even with an investigation for tire pressure, Mark won the sprint race. Let's see the replay of the finish line with our minis. Nothing can stop me. The straight is still alive. Woohoo! Yay! Woohoo! And that's all for today. Let's find out the weather for this Grand Prix with our mini. Dry race before the summer break. Good to avoid some crashes. And what are your predictions for this race? Oh my, another victory for Mark with Pecco second and Marco third. Thank you, Darmini. Follow our social networks for more MiniBikers. Goodbye and be mini good! And this video wouldn't be possible without the